Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, we opened real quick. I had some technical difficulties this morning that I have overcome. Bottom line is this. You can see that we've continued to rise here. You can see that we are above the daily mid-band. The hourly kind of shows that we've established monthly pivot support. You really can't ask for much more than coming down there and nestling kind of into a double bottom. It's tested the 25.86 pre-FOMC price. And what I've said to my folks for the last week or so since we started rallying is once Powell cleaned up his comments from the press conference, the move from 25.92 to 23.16 was, it wasn't all Fed-based, but the catalyst of it was people didn't like what the Fed had to say. When Powell cleaned up his comments last week or the week before, whenever it was, and we really started to rise in earnest, the most natural place on the board for it to go was back to the pre-FOMC price of 25.86, and then the reaction high from Fed Day, which is 25.92. So it's been bumping up in that area. The Globex high right now is 87.25, and it's finding some resistance there. That doesn't mean that it's resistance that's going to hold. It means that it's an area that's been tested in Globex in the middle of the night, and we're going to have to figure out whether it wants to be resistance or whether it's going to climb up above. I like the bulls to take it up to 2,600 here. I think they've got plenty of fuel. I think the bears are going to need a catalyst to kind of walk it back. Now, lest we forget, we remain 150, 160 handles below the 200-day. So we are still very much in a bull market. But right now, you are getting this grind to the upside. They are slow squeezing and slow bleeding, not really weak shorts, but these intermediate shorts that are trying to hold on to figure out where this bear market rally is going to end. And I've told you guys, you can be long a bear market rally, you can stand aside on a bear market rally, you can try shorts on a bear market rally, but if it doesn't work, you need to respect the fact that it's not working, get the heck out and do something different. Okay? So right now we're long down at 63. We had a couple decent shorts yesterday. We were short 72.25. We were short 60. We were short 59, and then we didn't catch the turn because I really wanted to see what it was going to do with monthly pivot. And then once it really got back up top and established 60 to 63 as support, we got long 63.25, and we've been long ever since. So a decent, really solid day, solid week, and we'll see what today brings. So we open in 10 minutes, so I want to get this out. Trade them well. Ton of stuff on social. Talk to you soon. Have a good one. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.